There was a bomb scare today just outside the Department of Foreign Affairs complex along Rojas Boulevard. A suspicious package wrapped in plastic was noticed by a street sweeper along the road outside the DFA complex. Panor alerted the DFA security guards on duty, who in turn reported the presence of the suspicious package to the Pasay Police Bomb Squad. Vehicular traffic along the route was disrupted as the bomb squad was trying to find out what the content of the package was. What was suspected as the bomb turned out to be a dead cat.
Negative na, sir.
Opo, negative po.
Pero sir, pag protocol, kailangan nyo talagang painitin talaga yung type.
Pinahinto talaga para maiwasan po yung disgrasya.
Sabi ko, Len, tignan mo nga anong laman nun. Ayun lang. Tapos, inano niya, sabi niya, inano niyang wali. Niya, ate, tawagin mo yung gwardiya. Sabi ko, oo, baka bomba laman yan. Yun ang sinabi ko. Tapos, tinawag ko yung gwardiya. Tapos, lumapit na rin siya.